Hello, do you know that it takes less than a minute to change your mind about decluttering? Changing your mind about decluttering will allow you to go in and begin the declutter process. Beginning is what you have to do. You have to take the first step. So decide where. That's the beginning. Where am I going to declutter? Then take your containers, your bag, your box, and your basket, or something similar. Go to that area. Decide which space in that area you're going to work on and take the first step. Put your hand out and pick up the first thing and make a decision. That's a nanosecond, a whole lot less than a minute. A nanosecond. Put it in the proper container and continue until your buzzer goes off at 15 minutes. It takes less than a minute to change your mind, less than a minute to decide what you're going to do, and less than 15 minutes to get it done. Make it a great day.